The tiny kitchen. Every inch of space should be cleverly utilized. The kitchen is too small and messy, and I want to make an L-shaped cabinet to increase the storage space. However, the aisle is too narrow. Rather than that, it would be better to do this. 1. Do not install a side cabinet beside the chimney, but install a thin cabinet. 2. The side cabinet does not require layer boards, but increases multiple drawers, making it more convenient to access items. 3. Shorten the pantry. Add an upper flip cabinet for storing ingredients to release space on the worktop. 4. Under the hanging cabinet, install linear lights for convenience in cooking. 5. Do not design traditional rectangular cabinets, but to create a diamond-shaped cabinet, which is useful for storing rice, flour, oil, and other staples. It not only enhances the storage and preparation space. 6. The sink should not be a water basin above the counter, which is difficult to clean, but a water basin below the counter, which is easy to clean. 7. Lower the windowsill, extend the worktop, and increase the worktop space. 8. Extend the corner to make a rounded countertop. The bottom can also put a fruit basket and install a track socket for small appliances on top. Make a set of thin cabinets for convenient storage of ingredients and commonly used kitchen utensils. Visit my profile page for more exquisite interior design collections.